Ohayo gozaimasu, Roxanne des, and I'm here with you again with another Japan crate. And this one is August Japan crate, and here it is. So this one comes with a comic book. It's the Sakura Cardcaptor, and you get a nice manga anime thing going on. That's pretty cool. We have a afternoon tea manga lassi, a dress palette cheesecake. This is a high kick candy. It's a lollipop. This is a apple soft candy DIY. We've got some salt potato chip, a premium umaibo cheese, sakurambo gummy, tenor ramen watermelon, a strawberry cream roll cake. We got some white peach gummies, sea house shaved ice ramen candy, a rare cheesecake candy. It's in the title, it must be rare. A long cola gum, strawberry and creams flavor. Strawberry flavored stuff, very popular. A strawberry daifuku, double ice chocolate vanilla. Okay, so we are going to start with this tea. I don't normally like tea, but we're gonna give it a try, and probably my husband's gonna be drinking most of this one. Let me see. Actually, it's not bad. I like it. It's a very subtle flavor, sweet but not super sweet, and it doesn't taste like tea. It does taste like mango. All right, next one is this apparently rare cheesecake. So let's give it a try. Oh no, the other one's the rare one. This one's not rare. Okay, so let's find out. Cheesecake. I love cheesecake. It looks like a cookie. Here we go. It doesn't taste like cheesecake. It tastes more like pound cake maybe. Yeah, definitely a pound cake. But I like pound cake, so that's okay. This one is watermelon, and they look like watermelon seeds. Crunchy. It's sweet. Tastes like watermelon. I like this. You got the strawberry roll. The other Japan crates I had similar. And break this in half, keep part for my husband. Hopefully he'll film with me one of these times. Trying. Okay, here we go. Strawberry. It's really moist. Very good. Better than like a Twinkie or something. I like that. We got these. Looks like cherry. And it is a gummy. So you can see it's very squishy. That's really good too. Because it's not super chewy like some of the gummies that you get in America. It's very soft. We got the salted potato. These seem similar to last month's crate. For being called salted, it's not very salted. They taste kind of the same as last week's potatoes. Here is the shaved ice. They are hard candies. They're very sweet. I really like it. Very good. Very similar to the candy and Pez. We missed one. Wait for that one. Alright, so I've had this before. I think they had this exact same flavor in last month's box. Shrimp and mayonnaise. Giant Cheeto. I just love them. On to the rare cheesecake. Let's find out what makes it so rare. Feels like a hard candy. Yes, it is. Hard candy, sweet. Tastes more like orange than cheesecake. It looks like it might have cheesecake in the center. We'll find out. But right now, it tastes like orange. So I made it to the center, and it's very chewy in the center. And it kind of has like a sherbet taste. But not really a cheesecake taste. But it is still good flavor, so I definitely recommend it. Alright, on to this other Umaibo, the premium Umaibo cheese. Supposed to have lots of cheese flavors. I will have to keep some for my husband to try. It's more flaky than your usual Umaibo. Definitely tastes like cheese. Okay, a few more items to go. We got this peach. It feels like it's another gummy. Yep, it is. Ooh, this one's really... I don't think this is a gummy. I think it's full of juice. This should be interesting. Oh, it is a gummy, but extremely soft compared to any gummy I've ever had before. And it does taste like peach. It is very interesting. And it's good. Okay, so we got this. The chocolate thing here. I taste the chocolate. I taste the vanilla. It's hard, so it's going to take a while. So I'll be back in a little bit. So we got these strawberry things. These look like King Vitamin ice cream again. Strawberry flavor. I love these. Keep sending me more. Got this little Ichigo thing. A lot of strawberry flavored stuff. I guess strawberry is the flavor of summer in Japan. Very squishy and spongy. Got some strawberry inside. This is the last one I'm going to taste test. I'll show you the ones I'm keeping. But this is the last one I'm going to actually eat. And this one is gum. It's supposed to be long, but I think it broke during shipping. So, supposed to be cola flavored. It's definitely cola flavor. Very sweet. It's gum. Very tasty. Alright. These items I'm going to save. I've had these in other Japan crates. This will probably get its own video since it takes a little bit of time. And this takes forever to eat, so I'm gonna wait on these two. So if you like these videos, please go ahead and subscribe. There will be more coming. My husband renewed my subscription. Yay! 6 more months of Japan crate. So at least 6 more episodes will be coming. And don't forget to like and comment. If you got one of these crates too, let me know what you thought of the things that you ate. And until next time, mata ne!